The certification process, one, gets folks ready to actually coach. So oftentimes we get coaches that are from outside the community. They've done some coaching, but this really gives them kind of coaching in a box, gives them the ability to get out of our courses and go right into coaching. I think it's a great business feature. Many of our coaches work in space where orgs or organizations are looking for that certification. They really want to know it's there. And I think having it is really, really helpful. We literally create hundreds of hours of content for our coaches. That's made available to them through things like podcasts or through YouTube videos that are available. There are instructions not just on how to be a coach, but how to work in the coaching community, different examples from coaches all around the world. We do podcasts in Singapore, in Sydney. We just did one out of the Philippines. Of course, we do them here out of the United States. We completed one in the UK. They're done in Spanish. We have a new one coming in Japanese. We do them and make them available for folks to be able to have this opportunity to learn and grow that way. Over the last half decade, we have created this learning series every year. It happens in January. It's for all of our certified coaches around the world. And it's 8 to 10 sessions of some of the best learning that's going on at Gallup right now. That's just for our certified coaches. It's kind of one of those benefits to being certified. We want to keep them in the loop and keep them educated at all times.